We just completed a trade on the Euro Aussie, and I posted this in my Facebook group a few days ago. And a number of my members were actually, excited about it. They wanted to take part in it. And I know I've been a little busy, so I haven't been posting videos on YouTube lately. But sometimes when the market is moving, you gotta be prepared to get it in there and make it happen, right? Now that we are approaching the election, you definitely want to have a little precaution while trading, but I'm still gonna be trading nonetheless. So I just want to get this trade out to you guys to see how it all unfolded. This is the original triple arrow, and I have simplicity as well, but I wanted to make sure you guys see how the original still works, because it definitely has been proven very profitable for me. And I have a few people that has DM'd me talking about the original triple arrow, like they're not able to make money with it. So I wanted to make sure I break it down to you guys how I came to the conclusion to take this trade and stay in the trade. So here we are on a Euro Aussie 30-minute time frame. If I back out a little bit, you can see that we had triple arrow. We had a channel that was facing slanting upward and pretty much gave us a good indication. Now, if you have original triple arrow, then if the market moves up into this channel, top of this channel, then it's highly likely that the market will, have a little rejection, that it could come back down, right? That's a possibility. All this stuff right here is not even in existence yet. You just know the market moved up into the top of this channel, and that it's a possibility that it can come back down. So if I base it off of that notion alone, let's just mark it. Let's just mark an area and go down to a lower time frame. Then you can see the market hesitated on the hourly, right? So here we are where the market is constantly going up, and it hesitated on the hourly, got rejected, which is a good indicator to get in the trade as well, right? Let's go down even further. 30-minute time frame pretty much says the exact same thing. We had some hesitation. There was some a little bit of consolidation, which you can trade a breakout if you wanted to, meaning you can mark here and here, and wherever the market moves, that's the way you trade. Very simple strategy to become profitable trading the triple arrow system. Now, if we wanted to enter the market, I believe I mentioned it to you guys before. I use the 50 moving average, and that is my entry line. So on the 30-minute, this will be where I entered, and then hold the trade like it's about 100 pip stop loss. And yeah, so I just got out literally about 30 minutes ago. So I'm in this range of the 150. Got to go back and calculate it. It definitely just got me out. My yellow dots are the weekly structure, so it broke that, which is highly likely that if it comes to retest, we could see a continuation downward, which I may look for a place to re-enter. Otherwise, I'm expecting it to jump back up and kind of get into a little sideways action, but we shall see. I'm not saying I'm gonna predict too much. I'm gonna trade what I see, right? All right, so let's go over to simplicity and see how it looks over there. All right, so we have the 4-hour time frame. I'm sorry, this is the 1 hour. Let me go up to the 4 hour. Here's the 4 hour here. Basically, market went up into the sell zone. We hit the top of the zone, and right there, that's where I'm paying very close attention, right? Paying very close attention to what's going on in this market, because if we have a rejection, then it's highly likely we're going to break out of the sell zone, and that's a trade you want to be in. All right, that's on the 4 hour. So we go back down to the 1 hour. You can see we do have triple arrows forming. These are the default settings on simplicity. I don't have any advanced settings. This is all standard, comes with the system. So if you choose to get simplicity, then know this is going to be what you see, exactly what you see. All right, so if you need to purchase simplicity, of course, you can always go down to the description below, and I can walk you through the process. If you come over to the Facebook group, and we can get you set up, we can get you ready to go. All right, but we have triple arrows that's been in play for a few hours already, so it's highly likely that, in my opinion, we could see a little move up somewhat, and then a drop. That's what my opinion says, so don't take my word for it. I'm going to be trading what I see. So if I see that we do have any type of pullback while this trade is in play, I'm already out, but I do plan on re-entering. I just want to make sure I know what direction we are focusing on, right? So Triple Arrow pretty much just confirmed that, and it's time to move on. So we're going to go down to the 30 minutes so we can see how the trade unfolded. That's how I entered the market. Triple Arrows came out of the zone. As you can see, look at the same thing that I told you on the 4-hour. Market went into the sell zone, and we got a rejection candle, which is this long one right here, and that's a way to get into the market. So if you're ever trying to get quick entries, scalp the market, or whatever you want to call it, that's a great way to do it. If you are looking to be an intraday trader, then that's also a way to get in the market, and by in the close of business, you can be out, and you can find a way to re-enter for the next day and keep it moving like that. Me, I'm more of a in-between, so I can't pinpoint one way or the other, because I do swing trade, I do intraday trading, and I pretty much scalp the market as well. I just do it in different accounts, okay? Pretty much on a weekly basis. So I may scalp 3 times a week. I may find an intraday trade 4 times a week. I may do a swing trade 1 time a week. Understand? So that's pretty much how I work. Now, the signal is still in play. However, we literally just touched down into the buy zone, and that's the reason why I got out of my trade. My take profit was literally right in this area, right here. Okay, so that's my style of trading. I made 100 and some odd pips. It's a great move. I only wish I went in multiple positions, but I didn't have further confirmation that would prompt me to get in 2 or 3 times in that particular trade, like I normally do. So if I have multiple confirmations, I will get in, 3 positions and ride that trade big time. So even if it make a small move, it's pretty much a big move for me because of how I do my trade management. All right, so Simplicity pretty much called it. Triple Arrow called it. We have it. This is a money maker. I do suggest you get involved with Simplicity. It's a very easy form of trading. I have a number of other videos will be coming out. I just did a withdrawal out of my Hugo's Way account, and I will be showing you guys exactly how I trade the indices, US 30 in particular, right? So stay tuned. I have a lot more to come. I am back. I took a little hiatus to pretty much, get through this trading with my team, with my Facebook group. We are getting it, and I hope you are too. If not, I can always assist you further. Super Easy Forex can assist you as well. Talk to you guys soon.